Hello, Namaskar. You are watching the Awaaz and this is Ashwini Srohi with you. Congress campaign in charge for Uttarakhand, Harish Rawat on Monday said that he wants to see a Dalit as the chief minister of the state and his party will work to achieve this goal. Addressing a public meeting at Laksar in Haridwar district during the party's Parivartan Yatra, Rawat said that the Congress has created history in Punjab by appointing a Dalit as the chief minister. Rawat said Congress has created history not only in Punjab but in the whole of North India by appointing the son of a woman who made bales from cow dung for life. Rawat, AICC in charge of Punjab Congress, said when the new chief minister of Punjab was speaking about his poor family in a press conference, we all had tears in our eyes. He thanked Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi for making a Dalit son the chief minister of Punjab and said that such an example was rarely seen in history when such an example was set. On Tuesday, after 1.5 years in Uttarakhand, the students were excited when the bell rang in the primary schools. Offline studies have started from today in 14,007 government and private schools of class 1st to 5th, which have been closed for a long time due to corona. When the school opened, teachers welcomed the children at the gate of many places. Classes in most government schools will run for 3 hours in view of the increasing cases of COVID infection in the state. Primary schools were closed in March 2020. Now, after the situation became somewhat normal, an order was issued by the government to open the schools from Tuesday. According to the Director of Education, due to the closure of the school, it has affected the education of the children. The Uttarakhand government extended the COVID curfew in the state for 2 more weeks. Issuing guidelines on Monday, the state government said that the corona curfew has been extended from 6 a.m. on Tuesday to 6 a.m. on October 5. Here, thousands of devotees have started arriving in the Char Dham Yatra, which started from last Saturday. According to a news, more than 5,000 devotees are reaching Haridwar daily in connection with the Char Dham Yatra. Meanwhile, how has the state government issued instructions regarding the COVID curfew? There is a possibility of rain in the Kumaon and Garhwal regions of the Uttarakhand today. The Meteorological Department has predicted heavy rain with thunder and isolated places in Dehradun, Nainital, Champawat, Bageshwar and Pithoragarh in the next 24 hours. The Meteorological Department has also issued a yellow alert. 1 or 2 rounds of heavy rain may occur in the capital Doon and surrounding areas. At the same time, after the rain, the water in the Jharkhand River increased again late at night at Rani Pokhri in Rishikesh, due to which the traffic has stopped. After the alert of the Meteorological Department, District Magistrate Dr. R. Rajesh Kumar has instructed the officers of all the departments related to disaster management to be alert. The movement of the second phase of the Uttarakhand Officer Employees Teachers Coordination Committee, a common platform for the 18-point demands of government employees in the state, started. On the first day of the movement, a huge sit-in demonstration was held at the parade ground in Doon. Due to the involvement of employees of most departments and corporations, the work in the offices came to a standstill on Monday and the complaints had to return unharmed. From Collectorate and Tehsil to RTO, Municipal Corporation, Energy Corporation, Vikas Bhavan, Drinking Water Corporation, Jal Sansthan, Agriculture Department, Horticulture, Roadways and Animal Husbandry, employees of other departments and corporations were present on the dharna. Namaskar and keep watching the Awaaz.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.